Hello guys, in today's tutorial I would like to show you how to make a slow motion video in Android with using VN editor. First, you need to open your VN editor and then add the video that you want to make a slow motion. And after that, click the video that you already add and then scroll the toolbars down here until you found the speed button, then click it. Here you can do it manually by moving this kind of white point, or maybe you can do the regular just by swiping this white point. If you want to make it manually, you can click this white point, scroll it down to make it slow, and scroll it up to make it fast. Because today we want to make a slow motion video, we can scroll it down here and you can see the result. That's the video. It's already slow motion. And after that you can swipe down again the white point like this and like this, and we can see the results. Now the video is already have a slow motion effect. And click done and we can see the results here. And just like that, the slow motion video is done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.